Have you ever realized that your passion may differ from your work and business? You know that a business is meant to fulfill your financial needs, while a passion is meant to make you happy. But now, you think it's a great idea to turn your passion into a business, and you wonder how to go about it. Welcome to this channel, Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Here we discuss business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to have a balanced and successful life. In today's video, you will learn 9 elements you need to get started and soar your way to success. And if you watch till the end, there is an extra bonus somewhere in this video. It is the factor that determines the success and failure of every business. We hope you won't miss it. So, stay calm and enjoy every second till the end. Number 1. Research and ask the right questions. Before you jump into the water, it's essential that you know how deep it's. That will reduce your chance of drowning. This quote is not about swimming. It's about the passion you want to turn into a business. The first step you should take is to research the business. What makes it a profitable business? Where will you have more chances of success? What is the best way for you to start? You can't answer these questions unless you have done some research. Research doesn't necessarily mean you must read through books. You can ask reasonable questions from potential customers and experienced experts in that industry and location. People who are already in business know the depth of the water and how to stay safe. It's a good idea that you tap from their wisdom, hence you're increasing your chance and speed of success. Number 2. Set a clear goal. A goal is important to everything you want to do. And doing business is not an exception. Without a goal, you will only be like a horse without direction. No matter how much it runs, there is nowhere we can call it a success or achievement point. As you decide to turn your passion into a business, be clear about your goals. Do you want to open 100 branches in 2 years? How much do you want to generate from it? Do you wish to run it on a small or large scale? How many lives are you willing to impact with your business? You should also have a time frame for your goals. What do you want to achieve in 2 years, 5 years, and more? These are questions you need to answer to set your goals clearly. You have to be very specific about what you want. Here is our friendly advice to you. Don't be afraid to dream big and set big goals. There is nothing you can't achieve. You only have to be realistic with yourself about how long it will take and be ready to give it what it takes to get there. Number 3. Leverage the internet. We keep saying this: the internet has provided a big opportunity in today's world, the like of which has never existed. Everyone knows today that going online is now a must and not a choice for businesses that want to grow anymore. You can market and reach many people with the press of buttons in the corner of your room. If the digital world is this amazing, why won't you take advantage? Set up a website for your business, get a page on social media, and market in any form that perfectly fits your business. It doesn't only ease the work for you. It also allows you to get your message to people, get many customers, and make a good profit. As you are planning to start, showing up online should be part of your plan. Number 4. Dream big but start small. Now you want to start a business from your passion. You have big dreams, and you are motivated to begin the journey. Here are 2 pieces of advice for you. Take action as fast as possible, and don't go all in without testing the water. If you are learning from this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our channel to get more financial and lifestyle tips videos like this. Unless you have strong experience, you shouldn't jump into the business with everything you have. The first step should be a small action that puts you in the game. It can be working in a related business or starting small. Keep your job and run it as a side hustle until you master the game and can now boast your way to success. If you walk it this way, you won't have any cause to bite your finger. Start small and dream big. Number 5. Plan your way. After a clear goal, having a clear plan is the way to achieve. You need to have a good plan that shows the step-by-step pattern you need to begin your business. One tip for planning is to look at the big picture. Imagine your business 2 to 5 years from now and visualize how and where you would like it to be. It'll help you craft out plans towards this vision of yours and work towards it to achieve your desired success. With a good business plan, you don't have to overstress your brain to know the next business action to take. Things will move better, and you will be more productive. Number 6. Evaluate your capital. Depending on the kind of business you plan to establish, capital is very important. You have to evaluate how and where to get money to kickstart your business. This can be from your savings, credit card, loans from friends, family, or financial institutions. Regardless of whichever one you want to choose, you have to evaluate your risk. Business is not always a bed of roses. It comes with success and failure. So, you want to decide on the amount you are ready to risk and your safety in the case that your first attempt challenges your resilience. What's more, you might find ways to reduce your capital to the minimum while you take a deep analysis and evaluation. Number 7. Think long-term. It's not the day that you plant the seed that you begin to eat the fruit. Business success takes time and commitment. And most of the time, the result is not always immediate. You need to have a long-term goal for your business. This will not only prepare you for the future but also strengthens your core to keep doing what is needed even when the results are not showing. Those who can see the future can beat their competition and make the most money in business. Number 8. Get others on board when necessary. When starting your business, you may not need an extra hand since you can take care of everything. But as the company grows, you certainly won't be able to do it all again. This is where many businesses begin to crumble. The owner is afraid of dealing with people and finds it difficult to outsource his work. This shouldn't be you if you want a successful business. Instead, focus on your core strength and get other skilled people on board. If you worry about managing people, what you need is to learn it. There are several books and training dedicated to that. Go for any of them, and with time you will find your leadership skills on an excellent level to keep your company soaring. Number 9. Prepare for a business. Business is a whole different thing from passion. The purpose of a passion is to make you happy. Now that you want to turn it into a business, the aim is to make you money. Of course, you will be satisfied, and your chance of success is high because it's something you love. But business requires commitment and the will to do whatever it takes. So, the moment you want to turn your passion into a business, you should know that it's no more about what you want to do alone. It's now a case of doing what it takes. Are you ready for that? Ensure that your answer is a yes before you proceed. You have watched this far, and we have to reward you for that. So here's a bonus tip that stamps your receipt to success. Market yourself and your business. Marketing is one of the powerful tools of a business. It's the heart that pumps the blood of revenue through the vein of your business. No marketing means no business. Poor marketing. Poor business. Good marketing equals a flourishing business that gets you the freedom and fulfillment you desire. So as you want to turn your passion into a business, don't joke with your marketing. If you are not good at it, learn it or outsource it to an expert who can take care of it. That way, your passion will make you happy and generate a good income for you. And we hope that's your goal. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with other aspiring entrepreneurs. You might be saving someone's life from failure. Subscribe to this channel to get more lifestyle and financial tips. Do you have a passion you want to turn into a business? We'll like to know in the comment section. Till next time, enjoy and live a fulfilling life. And remember, always stay very motivated. See you in our next video.